Hi, it's Tadek again, and this is part 5 in my series in the Japanese Hiragana Alphabet. We're going to be doing the T row and the D row. And as I had mentioned before, this one is going to have a couple of exceptions in it in the modified 1010 row, the D row. So the first one we have is Ta, and this one's a little convoluted, but it looks a bit to me like somebody pulling the tablecloth off a table with some dishware on it or something, like a magician, like ta-da. So I remember that, like ta-da. A little convoluted. Chi looks a bit like somebody with a swooping leg, somebody exercising or doing Tai Chi. So Chi, it looks a bit like a 5 too. Tsu looks a bit like a wave, like a tsunami wave. Te looks a bit to me like if you had a regular T, and then the E, a lowercase e, came careening into it, and then deformed it, and then just kind of took off like a jerk without leaving a note. So you have a bent T, so T, te. To, it looks to me a bit like when you wear sandals with socks, which should never be done by any self-respecting human being. But which actually, I think I'm actually wearing socks with sandals right now, so I shouldn't shouldn't say anything. But it looks a bit like the camel toe you would get from wearing socks with sandals. Now, for the 1010 row, the D row, so you would think it would da, di, do, de, do, but it's da, ji, zu, de, do. So this one here is an exception. So D plus I, D is ji, and D plus U isn't do, it's zu. I don't know if I'm saying those correctly, but this isn't really a pronunciation guide. This is more just a memorization technique guide. So forgive me if I'm mispronouncing these. But that's basically it for the T and D rows. If you found it helpful or informative, please leave a comment below, and thank you for watching.